Shangri-La is known for its remarkable collection of Islamic art and architecture. But what makes this place truly special is not just what it holds, but what it inspires. We are not only a museum, we are a cultural center and creative campus where artists, changemakers, and communities come together to explore bold ideas, share stories, and build connection through art, culture, and dialogue. This spirit has been part of Shangri-La since the very beginning, thanks to our founder, Doris Duke. Doris envisioned Shangri-La as a place of curiosity, exchange, and deep respect for global cultures. Her legacy lives on through our programs, residencies, and events. In that same spirit, we proudly launched our first ever Culinary Artist in Residence, and we're excited to welcome Chef Ahu Hetema of Istanbul, Hawaii. Through her residency, Chef Ahu is leading programming that explores the deep connections between food, creativity, culture, and sustainability in Hawaii and beyond. Today's event, Recipes of Resilience, was inspired by Chef Ahu's vision. In celebration of Women's Month, we brought together a diverse group of women, emerging and established voices in the culinary and entrepreneurial worlds, for a brunch and talk story.
Hawaii is a very special place. A lot of connection through our community, a lot of support, a lot of love that we built being here. And very glad to share the food I grew up eating. I'm so delighted to be and honored to be Shangri-La's first culinary artist in residence. I love to be around my team and I love to be here with all of you today.
And to her left, we have Chef Maile Kamisugi. She is the owner of ʻUlu and Kalo Bakery. We have Chef here, Watarai, and Michi is an incredible business owner. She's been doing this for generations.
We women are so strong. We're stronger than we know. We have to help each other. You'd be so surprised how open people are, and you can get through anything.
You don't have to know the tomorrow. Just be present. Just enjoy right now.
You kind of have to go through it at your own pace and, be vulnerable to relearning. Be very patient with yourself.
The important thing is just having that clear vision, knowing what you like to do, what you want to do. I think you will find yourself unstoppable.
If you put your mind and your heart to it, everything falls into place. I love this venue.
Thank you for taking time and coming out and enjoying this beautiful day with us.